The cat is sleeping. Here is the plan. First, we will take some cheese.
What will the mouse steal next? A. Ham. B. Chicken. A. Ham. What a great choice, my friend! Let's see what they'll do next.
Next, we will get some ham.
Don't forget to grab some chicken.
We will have to do it quickly and silently. Let's go!
What is it? Let's say, what is it? Very nice. What is it? That's right, it's pepper.
The cat is waking up! Run!
Every day I go to school, I meet my friends, and we all say, "Hello, hello, how are you? What are you doing?" We learn new things, we laugh and play. It's so much fun.
Wow!
Dinosaur chasing.
Tap to help Max jump over the log.
Wall! Web! Web! Wig! Wall! Drag the sound to the correct word. What? What? Z. Z.
Trace the letter.
Web. Tickling the dragon. The knight is fighting with the big dragon. Let's defeat the dragon by tapping on the correct sound. Swan. Find the sound W. Swan. Sweet. Find the sound W. Sweet. Wall. Find the sound W. Wall. Wig. Find the sound W. Wig. Ninja escape.
Help the ninja defeat the throwing stars by tapping on the correct sound.
W. I. G. Wig.
Help the ninja defeat the throwing stars by tapping on the correct sound.
W. I. N. D. Wind.
Help the ninja defeat the throwing stars by tapping on the correct sound.
W. I. Swim.
Fruit jump rope. Tap the word
We. 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 We.
Tap the word
We.
Cleaning the wall. The wall is dirty. Drag on the stain.
Walrus.
Which one is?
Walrus. Walrus.
Which one is?
Walrus. Walrus. Weasel.
Which one is?
Weasel. Weasel.
Which one is?
Weasel. Weasel. Wall.
Which one is?
Wall. Wall.
Which one is?
Wall. Wall. Wave.
Which one is?
Wave. Wave.
Which one is?
Wave. Wave.
Belling the cat. The mayor of Mousetown called a meeting. All the mice came, big and small, short and tall. The mayor, a fat mouse with long whiskers, climbed upon a stool. He said,
"Our enemy, the cat, has to be stopped."
"Yes, we want to live and grow old," said the town clerk.
"We need some way of knowing when the cat is coming,"
said another little mouse. A little mouse by the name of Pipsqueak spoke up.
"If we know she is coming, we will have time to run and hide."
"Just last week, she got my brother," said a girl mouse in a pink dress. She sniffed and almost cried as she thought about her brother. The mayor tapped the table to get everyone's attention.
An early warning plan is needed. Any idea?
He said. The mice turned to each other and chatted. They were sharing ideas and scary stories about the cat. No one came up with an idea.
Excuse me.
Emily stood up in the middle of her circle. Everyone was surprised. Emily was known as a shy little mouse.
"I have an idea,"
she said.
"At Christmas time, we always have bells on the gate outside our house. That way, we know when a guest is coming to visit. So, if we had a bell to place around the cat's neck, we would know she is coming our way."
The mayor smiled at the idea.
We'll have time to run quickly and hide.
The mice were laughing and dancing around. Pipsqueak spoke up.
"Have we decided which brave mouse will bell the cat?"
No one answered. The idea of being near the cat frightened all, let alone belling her. They had gotten a wonderful idea, but no one was brave enough to make it happen. That's why until now, the mice are still scared of the cat.